So for today's video, I thought it would be fun if I showed you how to clean a fridge, mostly because it's that time of the year where my fridge just needs a really good cleaning and just to go through all of the different products in there and throw it away and just, I don't know, start fresh. So this video is all about how to clean a fridge, and I'm going to show you how I turned my fridge from this disaster to it being clean and looking like this. So the first thing that I do when cleaning my fridge is I just get a trash bag and I clean everything out. So anything that is stale or anything that is just bad, I'll put in the trash can and throw it out. If there's anything that I can donate to a food pantry or anything like that, I also will donate that. I feel like it's harder to find things to sadly donate in your fridge, just because I know for me, my biggest issue is that the food goes bad before I eat it, and it is a huge issue. You should see. I don't know what my deal is lately and how this, actually I do know what happened. I hosted Thanksgiving at my apartment, and so a lot of this food is like just extras from that I'll really never use again until next Thanksgiving. It's just taking up space. So just go through and, you know, kind of purge the fridge. And then what I like to do also is anything that I am keeping, I put it on my island, and it's gonna be really, really quick. This takes like less than 30 minutes to do the entire thing. So I'll just get it on the island, and then I have a clean surface to fully wipe down and clean inside the fridge. Okay, so now that the fridge is like completely cleaned out, actually my sister's living here with me for the time being, so she gets like 2 drawers that are specifically hers, so I didn't touch them, but everything else in the fridge is completely cleaned out, and now it's time to go in and like actually clean the things. So I try to do this pretty quickly because the food is out and the fridge will be open, and we don't want the fridge to completely lose all of the cold air. So since I have containers in my fridge, what I usually do is I close this and then I go wash the containers. So like I'm talking like these things, these like organization containers, and I just wash them the same way that I do my like dishes with. I be careful of the label on the front, but then I just give them a good scrub down to clean from anything that's spilled or just to make them like look cleaner. So I'm gonna go do that right now, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm actually going to clean the insides of the fridge, and I have something that does such a good job at cleaning the inside of the fridge. Okay, so while those are drying, I go in and I actually like clean the fridge. And my secret weapon is this new Dawn Platinum Power Wash. It is the best thing ever for the kitchen. It's like my new favorite kitchen product. But I just go in, and the lighting sucks, hold on. Okay, I just go in and then I spray this all around. And I kind of let it sit for a little bit. And this just does such an amazing job at getting into that gunk and dirt, so that when it comes time to wiping, it wipes up super, super fast. So I'll probably just let that sit for like 5 minutes, maybe not even that long, and I just take a microfiber cloth and then I go in and I wipe it all down so that it's a really clean surface that I can then go put everything back in.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear.
And then here is how it looks. Well, let's go back and look at the before and then how it looks after.
I wanna see how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time.
So this was really so easy. I mean, it probably took me less than, like way less than 30 minutes. Like I would say it took me less than 20 minutes and it just feels so much better. Like to be able to open this and for it to just be all of the food that I'm actually gonna eat. It makes me kind of sad too because I feel so bad about wasting all of that food, and it's gonna make me more conscious when I go to the grocery store. But it really looks so much better, and I feel better, and I can see what I have more. So that's how you clean your fridge. I highly recommend doing it. It's actually kind of fun and slightly relaxing. And I hope you liked it. So for more cleaning hacks, organization tips, decorating ideas, follow me on Instagram at @BySophiaLee and subscribe to my channel.
You, I know how